Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Steam. Whenever you launch the Steam, you got a black screen and you are not able to play game or you are not able to open library in your Windows PC. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and directly proceed with the resolution. First of all, in the basic step, make sure the quality of your HDMI cable must be good. You can verify the same by holding the HDMI cable. If it is getting hot, then the quality of your HDMI cable is not good, which in turn gives you a black screen. Nextly is, if you are trying to play or if you are trying to using Steam by plugging in the controller, go ahead and first of all unplug your controller, either it is Xbox or your PlayStation. After unplugging, launch the Steam, and once the Steam launch properly, you can reconnect your controller to play the game. And thirdly is, if you are using NVIDIA graphic card, make sure you disable the VSync option, which is available right in the manage 3D settings option, vertical sync, and make sure you turn it off. For AMD, right click and go ahead and open the AMD Adrenalin software, and in the search bar type in FreeSync. Choose the option AMD FreeSync, and if it is supported at your end, make sure you turn it off. After turning off FreeSync as well as vertical sync, go ahead, restart your PC, and this will fix out the issue of black screen while launching the Steam. If this method failed to work out, go ahead and open Steam. Whenever you are getting black screen, you will find the option of Steam right over here. Click on it and click on the option settings over here. Now in this left pane, click on the option download, and here you will find the option of clear download cache. Go ahead and click on it. This will go ahead and close the Steam and then automatically restart the Steam for you. Go ahead, once the Steam is restarted, log in into your account, and once you are logged in, try to check if you are still getting the black screen issue while launching the Steam. Another method, if you are still getting a black screen, again open the settings menu of the Steam. In this left pane, click on the option in game, and here you will find the option of enable the Steam overlay while in game. Make sure if it is turned on, turn it off. After turning off the Steam overlay, close it. Now again restart your Steam to fix out the issue of black screen. If this also failed to work out, nextly I have a simple tip for you. Go ahead, launch the Steam, and as soon as you launch the Steam, in this bottom right corner you will find the option of friends and chat. Go ahead and click on it. As soon as you click on this particular option, friends and chat, your black screen will be completely gone. I have tried and tested on many systems that this simple trick help you fix out the issue of black screen while launching the Steam. Now if this method also failed, again open Steam, click on the option settings. In this left pane, click on the option interface, scroll down, and you will find the option of enable hardware video decoding if supported, restart required. If this particular option is turned on, you need to turn it off, and if this option is already turned off, go ahead and turn this particular option on. Same thing you need to do with enable GPU accelerated. If it is already turned on, go ahead and turn it off, and if it is already off, you need to turn it on. Once you do these changes with both these two options, go ahead, restart your Steam, and hopefully this will fix out the issue of Steam black screen while launching. If this also failed to work out, right click on taskbar and choose the option task manager. Now in processes tab, you need to find a service with the name Steam Web Helper. Here it is, Steam Client Web Helper. Go ahead, right click and choose the option end task. As soon as you choose the option end task, make sure there are not any other services running with the same name like Steam Web Helper. And you can see once you end the task of Steam Web Helper, the Steam automatically launches and the issue of black screen while launching the Steam will be completely fixed out. If this also failed to work out, let's proceed with the next step. Head over to C drive, program files x86, Steam, and here press the S key to find Steam app. Here it is, Steam. Right click on it, choose option properties, hit compatibility tab, and if this particular option is check mark, run this program in compatibility mode. Go ahead, uncheck this option, hit apply and OK button. Once you have done so, now in the search option type in Steam Web Helper, and here you will find two services with the name Steam Web Helper. You need to right click on each of the application, choose option properties, hit compatibility tab, and make sure again you check mark this particular option. Run this program in compatibility mode. Again, second one also properties, compatibility, and uncheck this particular option. Run this program in compatibility mode. Apply and OK button. Now go ahead, restart your PC, and this will completely fix out the issue of Steam black screen on launch. Now if all the method fails, the last hope you have is to right click on start menu, choose the option run, type here percentage local app data percentage and hit the enter key. Here press the S key to find Steam folder. Open it, and here you will find a folder with the name HTML cache. Go ahead, right click, choose the option delete. If it is not able to delete, that means the Steam is running in your PC. Go ahead, close the Steam. In your system tray icon also, make sure Steam is completely closed. Once Steam is closed, right click on HTML cache folder, choose the option delete. Once the folder is deleted, go ahead, relaunch the Steam, and after launching the Steam, the issue of black screen on launch will be completely fixed out. So as of now, this is all about it, friends. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much, friends. Thank you for watching.